Understand what dropshipping is and how to start this business model. Here's a step-by-step guide. Step 1. Understand dropshipping. Imagine you want to open an online store to sell sporting goods. With the dropshipping model, you won't need to keep a physical stock of these products. Instead, when a customer places an order in your store, you buy the item directly from a supplier or manufacturer, who then ships the product directly to the customer. Step 2. Choose a niche product. Let's continue with the sporting goods example. You may decide to focus on a specific niche, such as bodybuilding equipment. Researching, you discover that there is a growing demand for adjustable dumbbells, so you decide to focus on this product. Step 3. Find suppliers. You search for suppliers of adjustable dumbbells and find some on AliExpress, Oberlo, Salehu, or contact manufacturers directly who offer dropshipping services. After analyzing the suppliers, you choose one that has good reviews, competitive prices, and reasonable shipping times. Step 4. Set up an online store. Now it's time to create your online store. You decide to use Shopify because of its ease of use and robust features. You customize the design of your store, add a sports theme, set up payment methods, and define shipping options. Step 5. Promote your store. You start promoting your online store through various marketing strategies. You create an Instagram and Facebook page to share bodybuilding-related content and promote your adjustable dumbbells. You also invest in Google Ads aimed at fitness enthusiasts. Step 6. Order processing. A customer places an order for adjustable dumbbells in your store. You receive the order on your e-commerce platform and then pass on the order details to your supplier on AliExpress. The supplier then prepares the package and sends it directly to the customer. Step 7. Customer service. Your customer receives the adjustable dumbbells and is very satisfied with the quality of the product. However, he has some questions about how to adjust the weight of the dumbbells. You answer his questions promptly via email and provide clear instructions for using the product. Step 8. Analyze and optimize. You analyze your store's performance using analysis tools integrated into Shopify or the platform of your choice. You realize that the adjustable dumbbells are selling very well, so you decide to add more bodybuilding-related products to your store. In addition, you optimize your marketing campaigns to drive even more qualified traffic to your store. Step 9. Business scalability. Over time, you expand your product catalog to include not only bodybuilding equipment, but also sportswear and accessories. You look for new suppliers to diversify your offer and reach a wider audience. Your online store continues to grow, and you're constantly looking for ways to scale your business. To conclude, we hope that these detailed examples have helped you to better understand how dropshipping works and how you can start a business using this model. And remember, for more tips and inspiration to achieve your goals, don't forget to like and subscribe on the Moving Forward channel.